Hi, and thank you for choosing Card Studio 2.0. This video shows how to add and link card designs to a project. To connect your Design Studio card layout to your project, go to the main menu, click on Edit, and then on Project Settings. Go to Card Designs for adding and managing card designs to your project. Select the card design you created for this project. Click on the Add button to add the design to your project. When you created your card design with dynamic fields, this pop-up allows you to bind your dynamic fields from your card design to the data columns from your project. So first name will be bonded to first name, last name to last name, employee number to ID number, and so on. The card design is now bonded to the data in this project. If you already have a certain design, you can choose to update it by clicking on this button. Any change made to the design will be updated after clicking on this button. If you want to remove a design from your project, select one of the designs in this list and click on the Remove button. Click on the Save button to save the card designs added to your project. Now we will link the records in the project to this card design. You can add multiple card designs to your project and link them to specific records. We want to link all our records to this card design. Use the Control button plus the letter A to select all the records. Go to the card design and click on the Link button. The card design is now linked to all the records, and the records are ready for printing.